Welcome to CataList. In this tutorial, we'll introduce you to some of the main features for catalogs and titles. First, log into CataList at bnccatalyst.ca. You can browse for catalogs without an account, but logging in will give you access to more titles and many more useful features. If you have an active sales data account, you can use the same email address and password to access CataList. If you don't have a sales data or CataList account, submit a request for an account using the Request an Account link on the homepage. Let's log in. There are a number of ways to browse for catalogs right on the homepage. The first two carousels on the homepage feature forthcoming titles. The third carousel shows catalogs that any publisher has most recently added to CataList. Use this carousel to stay up to date on the latest catalogs. You can view all of the latest catalogs by clicking the button below that third carousel. If you're looking for a specific publisher's catalogs, you can find the publisher in the left-hand sidebar on the homepage. Scroll through the list or search for the publisher name in the search box. Once you've found the publisher you're looking for, click the name to view their landing page. That page contains all of the publisher's catalogs as well as other information about their company. You can also view a list of custom catalogs that other CataList accounts have shared with you. To find catalogs that you've received, click the My Page link and go to the Received Catalogs tab. If you're looking for a catalog by name, you can use the quick search and limit your results to catalogs. We'll talk more about the search features in another video. Today, let's go to a publisher's landing page and open one of their recent catalogs. The thumbnail view of a catalog focuses on the cover image and basic information for each title, such as the subject and price. You can switch to the scrolling view, which shows more information on a single page. Supporting resources, such as comparable titles, interior images, and award information, also display when available. The grid view shows the titles in a table. You can choose which columns display using the Customize Columns settings. To find a title within the catalog, enter the title, ISBN, or author name into the catalog's search box. If you'd like to share the catalog with others, you can create a PDF of the catalog, generate an email with the catalog link already included, export this grid into a spreadsheet, or make a copy of the catalog for your own use on CataList. For more detailed information about any title in a catalog, click the ISBN to view the title detail page. Here, you can view the key bibliographic information, such as the book's format, age range, description, author biographies, and other data as long as it's provided by the publisher. You can also find interior images, excerpts, and teacher's guides on the title detail page below the cover. Click on any supporting resource to view it directly on CataList. The sales rights and supply details show information that you'll need when ordering titles, such as the carton quantity and the distributor name. You can also find comparable titles on this page in the Comparable Titles table. Click on any of the ISBNs to view more information about that specific one. If you're a sales data participant, you can see the sales history for the current title and for the comparables as well. If you're a book reviewer, a bookseller, or a librarian, you can request reading copies of certain forthcoming titles by clicking either Request at NetGalley or Request an ARC. When you're ready to move on to view the next book in the catalog, use the arrow buttons to navigate forward or back, or enter a number and jump straight to the title at that position in the catalog. To see more catalogs created by the same publisher, click the publisher logo. This takes you to the publisher's landing page. And those are the core features available when you're viewing catalogs on CataList. Want to expand your CataList knowledge? Find links to related tutorial videos in the description below.